Hello YouTube, this is Noah, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review. And what I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing today is the Mission Impossible collection right here that I have. And I'm going to focus it for you guys real quick. Alright, so this is the most recent Mission Impossible collection that they have out right now. There's been rumors that there might be another Mission Impossible movie in the makes. I haven't verified that yet, to be honest. But, that would kind of suck because I just bought this collection and I kind of wanted all the movies together in one collection. So, yeah, it's okay though. This one does come with the first movie, the second movie, third movie, Ghost Protocol, which is the fourth one, and finally the fifth one. The only thing I would have liked better on this packaging was if they kind of stacked them all instead of having Rogue Nation off to the side, the biggest here, just because it's the newest movie. I kind of wish they treated all the movies like they were just an entry of the series and not like this one was the most recent, so it got the biggest picture. Anyways, if you can pause the video if you want to read that right there, and I'm going to grab a knife real quick to open this. Alright, well thank you guys for waiting, but I did not find my knife, so I will just be tearing through this packaging like so. A little less elegant, but that's alright. Alright. So here is the slip cover. We're taking that off right now. And it's just a single 4-edge slip cover. And then we got the movies right here. Got a little dynamite spark on the back that's going down. And then it looks like just a little bit more about each movie that they have there. You can pause the video if you want to read that. Flipping back over to the front, that looks like Tom Cruise from Ghost Protocol. And that looks like Tom Cruise from Rogue Nation, flip those, Rogue Nation, Ghost Protocol. And there's the ultraviolet code. If I got that in the frame, I will be covering that up. Well, that's interesting. Well, we got the first movie right here. Second movie's below it. The third movie is here, and the fourth movie is below that. And then Rogue Nation is off to the side here by itself. Not sure I really like the way they did this. If Rogue Nation and Ghost Protocol would have had better art, that would have been nice, because all these other Mission Impossible, the first threes, they got all the disc art, but the last two did not. So that's kind of disappointing. Then again, I did only buy this collection for $20, and that is a pretty good value for all 5 movies for only $20, and then you also get the digital copies. And looking off to the side, it looks like the digital copies might only include 1 through 3. That's kind of disappointing if that's true. If you can see it right there, it says includes Mission Impossible 1, 2, and 3. But I don't see any mention of Ghost Protocol or Rogue Nation. Actually, speaking of which, they're actually on the back. No idea why they would have included a separate code for the last 2 movies and then a separate code for the first 2 movies, but that's what they did. So yeah, that's kind of weird. Never seen it done like that before, but it looks like you do get all 5 movies, so that's good, I guess. And it makes more sense to have the last 2 than the first 3 anyways, but this collection does come with all 5, so that's good. Here is Tom Cruise dangling from a ceiling, and that's from the first movie. And then, hopefully I'm not spoiling this for you guys. These movies aren't really spoilable. I'm pretty sure that's from the second one, when he's riding off on the motorcycle. Putting this disc back. Like I said, it'd be nice to have art on Ghost Protocol and Rogue Nation, rather than just the standard Blu Ray release. I wonder if there's like a studio switch. It's the reason behind not having art on it. Sometimes I've seen that happen. And finally, that looks like Tom Cruise from Mission Impossible 3. So yeah, that's going to be about it for the movies. I really like these movies. They're fun action movies to watch with the family or with friends. They are action-packed, and Tom Cruise does a really good performance. There's a lot of tense moments in these movies. It's a little bit stiff. But yeah, I highly recommend this to any fan of Mission Impossible or anybody looking to get Mission Impossible movies, because for $20, they are a great value to have all 5 movies, even if the packaging is not the best. I haven't had one of these types of cases this stiff before. I wonder if it's just because I'm handling it one hand or something. It's kind of annoying, actually. Let's see. Alright. Well, my packaging struggles aside, I'd give this movie collection a thumbs up, and I will leave a link for you guys in the description if you want to go pick it up for yourself. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's going to be all for this unboxing and review of the Mission Impossible 5 movie collection. And if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more like it, subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment in the comments section if you have any questions, if you have them about this movie or maybe another one of my videos or channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.